What truth are you holding back in your relationship right now? Not because you don't know it, but because you don't want the consequence of telling it. Unspoken truths do not disappear. They do not dissolve. They do not heal themselves. They settle. They settle in your body as tension. They settle in your heart as distance. They settle in the relationship as mental, emotional, and spiritual disconnection. And over time, what is not spoken, what is felt but never addressed, becomes an issue. So now you're not just in relationship with a person. You're also in relationship with what you're not saying, what they are not hearing, and what both of you are pretending is not there. That is